Hey everybody, I'm Robert Nichols from Boston Trust Realty Group, and today I want to talk about the home buying process, specifically the steps involved in purchasing a home. I've been working with a lot of first-time home buyers lately, and I've realized that that's going to be a huge segment this year in 2012, I believe, of buyers you're going to see coming to market. So with that said, let's get into it. The first thing I recommend all my clients do before they really dive into a home search is get pre-approved. Now, the reason for this is that it really helps you gauge what you're going to look for. It helps you, number one, to know how much you can afford, and then it gives you a realistic expectations of how much home your money can buy, meaning what does $225,000 look like in a home in your market, for example. So that's the first step. Once you're pre-approved, I usually have everyone begin their search. We'll start looking at properties based on where you want to go within the range of your approval. It doesn't have to necessarily be at the top of your approval amount, but it's really more about focuses on your wish list. So you fill out a wish list. I'd look to compile a list of properties that suit exactly what you're looking for, and then you'll start your home search. Once you find a home, you make an offer, and let's say the offer is accepted. I talked about in the past looking at the comps in relation to making that offer. So that's another step in the process, really evaluating the market value of that property to gauge how much you're going to offer the seller. Once you make an offer, the next step is to have a home inspection. So within that offer, there's an inspection contingency. The contingency will state a date that you have to have your home inspection by. Usually I'd say anywhere from 7 to 10 days from the date the offer is accepted. Following the home inspection, you then negotiate all terms, finalize whether or not you want to move forward. If you want to back out, you can at that time with no obligation. But if you want to move forward, then it's a matter of signing the purchase and sales contract and making sure all terms are acceptable to both parties, and then going from there. For the most part, after this part of the process, it's really all about your financing. You really need to get with your mortgage lender and confirm they have all the information they need to assist you in purchasing the property. And then lastly, prior to closing, you're going to need to get your insurance binder situated. And so you'd have to talk to an insurance company, make sure you get the proper insurance for your home, provide it to your lender, and you're pretty much ready to close. That's pretty much the process in a nutshell. As far as how I get paid, we are licensed brokers, and a lot of people always ask, like, how is your commission paid? We're actually paid when the transaction closes from the proceeds of the sale. So whatever you purchase that house for, we get paid a percentage of the amount that you bring to the table. So at the end of the day, you don't pay anything out of pocket to your broker. They get paid when the transaction closes from the proceeds from the purchase price. For more information on purchasing a home in your local area, please contact me, Robert Nichols, at Boston Trust Realty Group. And I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.